Liquid Brune. Ito ang gagawa natin ng first impression sa gabing ito. Okay. So, mainit-init pa tong si Liquid Brune. Kakakuha ko lang sa kanya kahapon. And bakit nga ba natin siya binili? It's because it's one of those perfumes na sabi nila, kopyang-kopya ang kanyang dinudupe na perfume, which is Parfums de Marly Altair. Okay. So, ang presyo nito, nakuha natin siya sa marketplace and it's around 2,000 pesos. Okay. So, in terms of the presentation pa lang, ang ganda, ang solid ng kanyang box. Okay, color brown. As may Liquid Brune dito and meron siyang parang bato dito na I don't know kung crystal ba siya or something, pero yan, siya bato dyan. And then sa gilid, gold. And then may description sa likod and as well as ingredients. Okay, and then of course sa ilalim may barcode and QR code. And ano pa pinakalagay? Made in UAE and as well as batch code sa ilalim. Okay? So, pagbukas ng box, okay, is this way. Akala ko una dito from this side pero ganun pala siya. So, ayan. Alright, so the bottle itself, actually sa loob, meron siyang parang soft na tela. Okay, ang ganda ng kanyang pagkakapresent. Okay. And then sa loob naman, ang ating bottle ay color brown. Tapos meron siyang mga gold accents na nakapaligid sa kanya. Ganda na bottle na lang. And you wouldn't imagine that this is just around 2,000 pesos yung kanyang price. Okay. So before we actually go ahead and smell the perfume, let's go ahead and go to Fragrantica and check on the main accords and the notes. So according to Fragrantica, the main accords would be sweet, warm spicy, vanilla, cinnamon, white floral, powdery, citrus, aromatic, musky, and amber. Alright, and then in terms of the top notes, we have cinnamon, orange blossom, cardamom, bergamot. Ang kanyang middle notes naman ay bourbon, elemi, base notes of praline, ambroxan, guayacud, and musk. Alright, and best to wear during cold occasions, okay, and mostly for the night out events. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a couple of sprays on our right wrist and let's see kung ano yung maamoy natin ng mga nota. Alright. So, in terms of the atomizer, golden ang kanyang kulay. Okay. Ganda ng kanyang spray. Okay. Ganda ng volume na lumalabas. Tama-tama. And amoy na natin siya. Yes. Cinnamon, bergamot, ang ganda ng combination. Grabe. Alam ko na kung ano yung sasabi nila na ganda ng kanyang opening. Ang bango kagad. Naamoy mo na kagad yung vanilla and yung ambroxan and yung musk. Okay, sa opening pa lang. Bergamot, cinnamon, and cardamom. Yan, naamoy mo na kagad siya. And para siyang very warm and sweet and may pagka-konti spicy yung kanyang amoy. And tama nga yung sasabi nila, this is good for night outs, date with your special someone, dinner, yung mga ganyan, party, yan. So, this is very good perfume for those occasions. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do some performance testing in the next couple of days. I'd probably use this over the weekend and see kung tama nga yung sasabi nila in terms of the overall performance of this perfume. Longevity-wise, projection, and as well as silage ng ating perfume. Okay? So, yan na muna ang ating video for tonight. If you have any questions, anything that you'd like for me to check on about this perfume, and if you have any other suggestions on perfumes that you'd like for me to review next, please leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you soon. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!